To customize your lock screen in Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find the personalization. Select it, then click on the left tile right here. After that, you'll be able to customize your lock screen by clicking on the Customize button. Then there's the plenty of options that we can use to customize it. First of all, let's start from the top. Clicking on the clock allows you to change the clock font and style. So you can choose different font right here. You can then change the hours with digitally or with the minutes and etc. Then there's the date. You can change the font for the date as well. And lastly, on the bottom, you can add widgets like the temperature or the wind speed and etc. So that's how you can customize your clock. Next thing that you can do here is add your signature. If you tap right here, you'll be able to enter any text. So you can, for example, enter your name so it's always visible on your lock screen. Then there's the option to change the wallpaper. So you can choose whichever wallpaper you want from this list right here. Or you can select your own local photos. That means you can pick your own photo and use it as a wallpaper. Then there's the wallpaper effects. You can apply effects like a blur, a lens corrosion, and etc. There's also matte effect for some of them, and probably even more options if you just keep clicking on them. Then we have the font effects. We can change the font color for the clock. And there's also plenty of options. In secondary, you can change the widget, the date widget color as well. So now when you're done, all you have to do is click on apply and your brand new wallpaper will be saved. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.